Hello everyone, it's your girl Precious RGK, and today I'll be teaching you a powerful recipe to grow your hair. A powerful recipe to grow your hair using just three major ingredients. This recipe never fails when it comes to growing your hair. If you have this stubborn hair that has refused to grow, if you have your hair is damaged, you are experiencing split end, hair breakage, bad front hair, your edge is not growing, and what have you, give this recipe a try and come and tell me thank you later, because this recipe never fail. I have been using it on my hair, on my daughter hair, and it is something that is, in fact, I always fall to this recipe when I notice some damage on my hair. Maybe I went to make it, I made it outside after braiding, and I experienced hair loss. That is when I normally use this recipe. What you'll be needing is banana, aloe vera, and your egg. Banana is very good to the hair. Banana is rich in potassium, thereby increasing blood circulation to the scalp and also helping your hair to grow longer, thicker, and also it will stop your hair from breaking. Egg, on the other hand, I cannot begin to emphasize the benefit of egg to our hair. Egg is very good to the hair. It helps your hair to grow, repair damaged hair. Aloe vera also is another thing. Google these three ingredients, guys, and you will confirm that these three ingredients are powerful when it comes to growing hair really long and thick. So I just peel my banana, break my egg, and I remove the juice from the aloe vera, and I'm using my spoon to match it. At first I was using spoon and it was not giving me the desired result, so I used fork to match it. This is it. I did not use blender, guys. I just used my fork to match everything, and this is it. After mashing everything, I sieve it using my 7 cloth. You can use anything to sieve your own, you can use, but make sure you sieve it, because we don't want the particle to be stuck in our hair. Removing them is going to be something of, in fact, headache that you don't want to experience. So this is it, guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also don't forget to give me comment how it work on your hair at the comment section. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. And if you're a return subscriber, oh my god, you are welcome. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the share. Thank you so much. I'm super grateful. There won't be no reason I'll be here providing videos without you coming to watch. Thank you so much. So at this point, I'm just sieving my banana, egg, and aloe vera. You can see the white color, the milk color, looking so proteinous, and you understand, it's so good to the hair. Like I said, I usually use this recipe when I notice some damage on my hair or on my daughter hair. After going, I lose a braid on my daughter hair. The braid that was made on her, and I noticed that her she was having split end and stuff. So I decided to prepare this recipe to repair those damaged hair. So give this a try. Feel free to give this a try. It's very, very good and very, very effective, powerful. That's why I call it a powerful recipe, guys, that never fails. So you see the recipe why I said you should sieve it. This is the reason. So this is it. At this point, I just go in and add my other Maggi and salt. I got them Maggi and salt because these ones, they will help the recipe to work better. This is tea tree essential oil, so I just add 2 drops of my tea tree essential oil, and I will go in and add about 2 ml of my lavender essential oil, and I'll also go in to add my peppermint essential oil. That is just it. Oh yeah, this is my peppermint essential oil. I'll also go in and add in my organic honey. Guys, if you don't have this recipe, I add just a teaspoon of my organic honey. So guys, this is my organic honey I'm adding. Make sure your honey is the organic one, it's not the adulterated one. Guys, if you don't have these ones, tea tree, lavender, honey, peppermint, and what have you, don't worry, this recipe will work. It will work. It's just that when you add these things, it's work better. So if you have them, I will advise you to use them. But if you don't have them, go ahead and prepare this recipe, and you will come and tell me thank you later. So this is it. At this point, I'll just go in and pour it in my can, in my application bottle, where I'll be using to add it on my hair. Once again, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Your thumbs up, your like would make YouTube to recommend this video to more people, thereby giving more subscriber and what have you. Please don't forget. And if you're a return subscriber, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful, and I'm happy. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for everything. I'm super grateful. So this is me and my daughter. I'm applying this powerful recipe on her hair. So when you're applying it, guys, make sure you apply it generously. Don't forget to apply it on the from the roots to the tip. Apply it generously and give the hair a massage. You can see the way I'm massaging it. Give the hair a massage it very well. As you apply it, you notice that the hair is becoming softer. At this point, you can even comb it. You can comb it. There nothing, no hair will cut. You know, experience no cut, no breakage, nothing. So that is to tell you how powerful this recipe is. So I just, after applying it, I just give it a twist, because I want to apply it a bit by bit on the hair. Once again, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as it will help me, and also to help me to help this video to go viral, thereby letting YouTube to recommend this video to more people. And also don't forget to tell me how it works when you try it. I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. Thank you. You can repeat this recipe twice a month. Sometimes I even do it 3 times in a month, 4 times. It depends on the damage, because it's really work. So this is it. I just apply it bit by bit in all the hair, and when you're done, you leave it, guys. Leave it for 1 hour. I say 1 hour, please. Don't tell me it's starting to leave it for 1 hour. You have to leave it for 1 hour. If you can leave it overnight, preferable, but I usually recommend 1 hour, because we have other things to do, and sleeping with this on your hair, you might not really like it. And when you want to wash it off, please don't use hot water. Don't use hot water because of the egg, okay? So I'll just cover it with shower cap, and after 1 hour I will wash it off. Thank you for supporting me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.